morning students, you are most welcome in 7th session of biology. In last period, what you have seen? Conducting system of human heart. Conducting system of human heart consists of nodal tissue. These are the special tissues which are responsible for the working of heart. There are three conducting tissue. One is SA node, AV node, bundle of His and Purkinje fiber. I have given the idea about the SA node, AV node, bundle of His and Purkinje fiber. Again I want to tell, फिर से आपको बताना चाहता हूँ SA नोड का लोकेशन कहाँ होता है बेटा? राइट अरिकल में, नियर द ओपनिंग ऑफ प्री कैवल वेन. It is called as the speed maker. It generates the electrochemical impulses that is responsible for the contraction of heart. You also see AV node, auriculoventricular node. Where the location? It is located in the right auricle, just above the tricuspid wall at the base of interauricular septum. Last time मैंने बताया था आपको AV node कहाँ होता है? In right auricle, just above the tricuspid wall at the base of interventricular septum. मैंने function क्या बताया था बेटा आपको? That I have given the idea. It acts as a relay center. It transmits the impulses from auricle to ventricle with the help of bundle of His and Purkinje fiber. ये भी मैंने बताया था आपको. मैंने आपको इसके बारे में भी बताया था bundle of His. It is a special nodal fiber. It originates from AV node. It originates from AV node and it runs through interventricular septum. It runs through interventricular septum and divided into two branches, left and right. One goes to the left ventricle, another goes to the right ventricle. From that branches arises the fine hair-like structure. What it called? It is called as a Purkinje fiber, which are penetrate into the wall of ventricle. They are reaches to the every cell of ventricles. Right? This is regarding the conducting tissue. You have seen in last period. Today what you have to see? हमें आज क्या देखना है बेटा? Today you have to see the working mechanism of human heart. क्या कौन सा टॉपिक है आज? Working mechanism of human heart or you may call cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle. There is chance in the examination. Describe the working mechanism of human heart or write note on cardiac cycle of human heart. So you remember please, there is a very important topic, exam point for you. So I want to tell about the working mechanism of heart. You know very well. Cardiac cycle, human heart alternately undergoes a contraction and relaxation simultaneously. Contraction को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Systole. Relaxation को diastole. Consequently, contracts followed the relaxation and completed cycle. That is a cardiac cycle. Systole, then followed the diastole. So how it is completed? One cycle will completed within 0.8 seconds. Which are steps are involved in this mechanism? There are 3 steps. You have to remember. हमको याद रखना है 3 स्टेप होती है one cardiac cycle की. That will be completed within 0.8 seconds. That is very important. You have to remember the time also. One cycle completed within how many seconds, how many minutes, how many hours. Options will be there. But what you have to choose? 0.8 seconds. Remember please. So how it divided? There are 3 phases. There are 3 phases. First phase is auricular systole. Second phase is ventricular systole. And third phase is a joint diastole. Which are 3 steps? Auricular systole, ventricular systole and joint diastole. You see one by one. हम एक के बाद एक देखना है. First step को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Auricular systole. Second step ventricular systole and third step that is a joint diastole. Which is the shortest phase? Auricular systole, because it will be completed within 0.1 second. Dear students, see the chart here. I have shown the chart of auricular systole, ventricular systole and joint diastole. See here I have given the time here 0.1 second, 0.2 second, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8 second. I have divided these three phases here on the board. You see the book please. Then you shall get the idea. So, what about the auricular systole? Whenever auricular systole is taken place, you have seen the internal structure of heart, function of auricle, function of ventricle. Auricular systole कब start होता है? ये भी important बात है. You know very well, auricles are receiving chamber. मैंने आपको बताया था. Both auricles receiving the chamber. Right auricle receives the impure blood. Left auricle receives the pure blood. एक ध्यान में रखना है आपको. You have to remember one thing very important. Whenever both auricle get filled with blood, जब हमारे दोनों auricle blood से filled हो जाते हैं, तो what happened? Then it undergoes a contraction. Now what happened? Both auricle whenever get filled with the blood, they stretching the muscles and stimulate to the SA node. This SA node gets stimulated and it generates the impulses. Now these impulses reaches to the wall of auricle. अभी क्या हो रहा है बेटा? जब दोनों auricle fill up हो जाते हैं, at that time SA node become active. This SA node generate the impulses. That impulses now reaches to the wall of auricle and auricle undergoes a contraction. That is called as a auricular systole. What is called? Auricular systole. It is lasts for only 0.1 second. This is very important. You have to remember the timing of auricular systole. It is lasts for how much time? 0.1 second. Auricular systole. During the auricular systole, which events are occur? This is also very important thing. During the auricular systole, bicuspid and tricuspid get open, right? जो opening पे होती है, right auricle and right ventricle, left auricle and left ventricle get open, and blood enter into the respective ventricles. Means from right auricle to right ventricle, left auricle to left ventricle. All right. Which events occur during the auricular systole? The SA node generate the impulses, reaches to the wall of auricle, and wall of auricle undergoes a contraction. This is called as a auricular systole, and it is lasts for 0.1 second. And during auricular systole, bicuspid and tricuspid get open and blood enter into the respective ventricles. Got my point? यहाँ पे चार्ट पे देखिए आपने, मैंने बताया auricular systole lasts for 0.1 second. Right? Now we are enter into the second phase. What is the second phase? That is nothing but that is a ventricular systole. This lasts for 0.3 second. Now see here in the chart please. यहाँ से मैंने यहाँ तक 0.4 बताया, मतलब that will be last for 0.3 second. During the ventricular systole, how it takes place? You know very well. Auricle already goes under the contraction. Now impulses reaches to the AV node, that pick up by the AV node. And these impulses with the help of bundle of His and Purkinje fiber reaches to the wall of ventricle. This is very important. Auricular wall of auricle से अभी impulses कहाँ पहुँच गए हैं? AV node, atrioventricular node. And this node can transmit the impulses to the wall of ventricle with the help of bundle of His and Purkinje fiber. This is helpful for ventricular contraction. Now ventricular contraction lasts for 0.3 second. During ventricular contraction what happened? You have to remember that thing. That is very important. Ventricular contraction जब होता है तब क्या, which events are occur? है कि नाही? जेव्हा ventricular systole होते त्यावेळेला कोणकोणत्या गोष्टी घडतात हे पाहणं महत्त्वाचं आहे की नाही? So during the ventricular contraction, bicuspid and tricuspid get closed and semilunar wall get open. This is very important event. And heard a first sound, that is the lub. Remember please, कौन सा sound आता है बेटा? Lub. Due to the closing of bicuspid and tricuspid wall, and semilunar wall get open. So blood from right ventricle enter into the pulmonary trunk, that supply blood to the lung for purification, for oxygenation. Yes. Last time मैंने बताया था आपको internal structure. From left ventricle, blood enter into the aorta, which is major artery, which supply blood to the all part of the body. It events last for 0.3 second. मैंने क्या बताया आपको? During the ventricular systole, bicuspid and tricuspid get closed, and semilunar wall get open. blood from right ventricle reaches to the pulmonary trunk, then divided into branches. तुम्हाला माहित आहे ते लेफ्ट अँड राईट, लेफ्ट जाते लेफ्ट लंगला, राईट जाते राईट लंगला. मग लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल मधून कुठे ब्लड जाते? अवार्टामध्ये. दॅट सप्लाय ब्लड टू ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. गॉट माय पॉइंट? दिस इज द सेकंड इव्हेंट्स अकर ड्यूरिंग द कार्डियक सायकल, ड्यूरिंग द वर्किंग mechanism of human heart. Now third phase. In this phase, after contraction, ventricular undergoes a relaxation along with auricle. That is called as a joint diastole. After contraction of ventricle, it undergoes a relaxation. That is called as a ventricular systole. What is called? Ventricular systole. Already auricle relaxed in position, hence it is called as a joint diastole. It is lasts for 0.4 second. कितने में सेकंड में कंप्लीट होता है? 0.4 सेकंड. Which events are occurred during the ventricular diastole or joint diastole? During which semilunar wall get closed. Remember please, semilunar wall get closed and heard a second sound, that is a dub. Why semilunar wall get closed? To prevent backflow of blood from arteries to respective ventricle. In this way, the joint diastole will be completed. These are the three phases of cardiac cycle, which are auricular systole, ventricular systole, joint diastole. So auricular systole lasts for 0.1 second, auricular diastole lasts for 0.7 second, ventricular systole lasts for 0.3 second, ventricular diastole lasts for 0.5 second. Then joint diastole lasts for 0.4 second. In this way, cardiac cycle will be completed. Any doubt? No. No doubt? Yes. Now see here next topic, which is related to regulation of cardiac activity. क्या देखना है हमको? Regulation of cardiac activity. The cardiac activity controlled by two ways: nervous control and hormonal control. Nervous control and hormonal control. Now first of all, see hormonal control. You know very well, there is an autonomous nervous system, sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. This sympathetic nervous system secretes a neurotransmitter that is called epinephrine, which increases the heartbeat. Remember please, autonomous nervous system can control the involuntary activity of the body. Heartbeat also one of the involuntary activity. Under control of autonomous nervous system, जो हार्मोन secrete होता है, sympathetic nervous system secrete epinephrine, which increase the heartbeat. There is in opposite, there is a parasympathetic nervous system. It secretes acetylcholine as a neurotransmitter, which can reduces the heartbeat. Remember please that cardiac activity control given in block that you have to read. That is very important. That is a need with respect to need. This is very important. Parasympathetic nervous system क्या secrete करती है? Acetylcholine, which reduce the heartbeat. Sympathetic nervous system क्या secrete करता है? Epinephrine, उसे हम न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर भी बोल सकते हैं, that increase the heartbeat. Got my point? Now nervous control, there is, you know very well, then nervous control including the cardiac center. This is also very important question. Cardiac center brain में कहाँ होता है मालूम है? मैं बताऊँ? Yes, I can tell. That located in the medulla oblongata. मेडुला ऑब्लोंगेटा में अपना कार्डियक सेंटर होता है, ब्रीदिंग सेंटर होता है, गैस्ट्रिक सेंटर होता है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ द नर्वस सिस्टम. यू नो वेरी वेल, एनी इंजरी टू द मेडुला सडनली कॉजेज द डेथ. गिव रीजन. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है जब हम नर्वस सिस्टम पढ़ेंगे, उस टाइम मैं आपको बताऊंगा. इफ एनी इंजरी टू द मेडुला डैमेज द सेंटर, स्टॉपेज द एक्टिविटी एट वंस, रिजल्ट इज द डेथ. सो दिस cardiac center present in the medulla oblongata, it responds to input from. medulla oblongata कब response करता है? Input from, there are receptors in the body, that is enteroreceptor. One of the example, proprioreceptor. It monitoring the position of limb and muscles in response to this receptor. There is control of cardiac activity. Another receptor is a chemoreceptor. It monitoring the chemical change in the blood. आपल्या ब्लड मध्ये काही केमिकल चेंजेस झाले तर ते कार्डियक सेंटरला कोण कळवते? chemoreceptor. Then third baroreceptor. It monitoring stretching of major artery and vein. This is also very important factor affecting the blood pressure. तीन आपको बताया रिसेप्टर, आपको ध्यान में रखना है. प्रोपोलियो रिसेप्टर कहाँ का मॉनिटर करता है? लिम्ब एंड मसल्स. कीमोरिसेप्टर मॉनिटरिंग केमिकल चेंज इन द ब्लड. बारोरिसेप्टर मॉनिटर स्ट्रेचिंग ऑफ मेजर आर्टरी एंड वेन. दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. As well as some chemical controller. Hypoxia. Hypoxia, do you know that? Deficiency of O2. हमारे यदि कोरोना हो गया तो क्या होता है मालूम है? There is a O2 level will be decreases. This condition called as a hypoxia. तुम्ही ऐकत असाल न्यूज मध्ये पेशंटला हायपोक्सिया झाला. What is hypoxia? Reducing the O2 level. There is effect on the lung. During that period, there is effect on the cardiac activity. Remember. दूसरा एक फैक्टर है बेटा एसिडोसिस. एक्सेसिव एसिड इन द बॉडी फ्लूइड. इट आल्सो अफेक्ट द कार्डियक एक्टिविटी. अल्कोलिसिस बॉडी फ्लूइड कंटेन मोर बेस. दिस आल्सो इफेक्ट द कार्डियक एक्टिविटी. और सम कैटायंस लाइक पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम, सोडियम दैट अफेक्ट द कार्डियक एक्टिविटी. दिस इज रिगार्डिंग अबाउट द रेगुलेशन ऑफ कार्डियक एक्टिविटी. मैंने आपको बताया नर्वस सिस्टम कंट्रोल करता है. That is called hormonal control. Nervous system में sympathetic nervous system secrete epinephrine, parasympathetic secrete acetylcholine. Remember which are receptor give the response to cardiac activity? Proprioceptor, chemoreceptor, baroreceptor. That you have to remember. Hypoxia, acidosis, alkalosis, and some cation like sodium, potassium, calcium ion can affect the cardiac activity. Got my point? Again see please what you have seen. Working mechanism of human heart, that is a cardiac cycle. Auricular systole, ventricular systole, joint diastole. Auricular systole for last 0.1 second. Ventricular systole last for 0.3 second. Joint diastole for 0.4 second. These three events completed within 0.8 seconds. So you have to remember systole and diastole followed, then diastole completed within the 0.8 second. That is called as the cardiac cycle. Auricular systole, ventricular systole, joint diastole. Remaining part will see on next time. Thank you very much.